is a new team leader for 2024, squad leader John Bond, known as Bondi. Bondi was previously in the lounge for 5 years before taking the unit, but coming back in 2024 as the team leader. He's a former Tasmanian player, former qualified flag instructor for Tucano, where he was a Tucano display pilot in 2012. The team has now changed shape. The smoke of command from the left, in Big Vixen. Myself, Red 10, the team supervisor, former Tornado GL4 pilot, former qualified flying instructor on the team block 2. And of course, we are commanded by also commanding RAF Left Wing Commander Adam Collins, my predecessor as Red 10. He's a former Tornado pilot. He also flew the F-111 while at Strange with the Royal Australian Air Force. First year for the team. Luckily, he was taken from training. Red One goes to team over 600 kilometers. Maintain that formation. He's making even more difficult change that shape. Just a little bit earlier than the ones on the inside, so the whole shape starts to move as one, rather than a ripple effect down the wing. And you can see those wings of the Cygnet starting to flex their way forward, and Red 6 and 7 start to split at the rear. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready. You do not want to miss this one for the colourful Phoenix. In the middle of that right wing uppermost is Red 4 Clacton Misuki. And he's in the second year of the team. He was Red 4 this year. He became this Red 4 this year. This means he's a mentor. He works alongside Red 1 during winter training to ensure our new pilots attain and maintain the standards required of the Red Arrows pilot. On that front row on the left hand side, the other team is over 140 personnel. The Hawk is made for Red 9 was Red 8 and 9 moving on rescue formation. Watch for the call change as Red 1 brings the team down the line. With me at every show is Circus 10. That's Corporal Phil Dye. He is out front filming our display for safety and debriefing purposes. He's also responsible for a lot of the airborne images across social media taken from the back of my airplane as we fly around the show. In front of the right, if you come to the end of the first half, once again, it's 3. This is the 5-4 sprint. As we go into the second half, we now see us break down into 2 distinct sections. On to the right, we've got Red 1 through 5 known as Enid. These are named after Enid Blyton's famous ride from the children's box. On the left hand side, Red 6, 7, 8 and 9 named Hannah, named after squadron leader Ray Hannah, one of the most famous RAF aviators. He's also the only team leader to lead the team for 4 years consecutively. He took the team from a 7-ship to a 9-ship and formed our trademark Diamond 9. Enid. Keep your eye on Enid to the left-hand side. When I was born in 1864 and first put in display in 1865. We were actually born to the 3 different teams around at the time. The Red Pelicans, Black Arrows and the Yellow Jackets. We took the red from the Red Pelicans, the arrows from the Black Arrows, and we took the aircraft from the Yellow Jackets. And in tribute to that aircraft, in from the right, the smoke comes on, Enid flying the Gnat. Your camera's ready for the Hannah break.
It's so hard.
As he turns hard towards Enid in the distance. As a forward taking the tornado cloud, as he flies the goose. Red 9 climbing high up into the skies as Enid comes round to our left, once again trailing our famous red, white and blue. Rolls over and arrows, of course, to represent the Royal Air Force. Extremely proud to take Let's give Red 6, 7 and 8 massive round of applause for Wonderful Heart in the skies of
No, wow, it's so amazing. No way, they made it hard. It's so cool.
The opposition boundary. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready for the Vixen vertical break. spectacular sight by